What's up? New video, updates to the lawnmower. Alright, so, okay. Alright, my dad, he has built a trailer for it. And here it is, if y'all can see. I don't know. Out in the sun, it's dark to see this piece of crap. I think that's it. Wait, let me check. I don't see my foot. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah. There it is. Alright. It's really irritating to do this camera and crap. Especially with this huge tablet. Yeah. I got the motor moved to down the hill. And how I did that, amazingly, a little bitty tiny Tonka truck. I mean, I just loaded it up on there and wow. Holy crap, I can't see it. There it is. And all its piece of crap glory. Yeah. It was a pain in the butt, but I took the old stick off of it and all that stuff. I saved it. And I drained all out of it into a pan. Now I can't find it. Oh, there it is. It's still under the hood. Yeah. That's all the important stuff that I need. Right there under the hood. The old pan with all the parts and stuff in it. And the container with the oil in it. And I haven't showed y'all my go-kart yet, so there's that piece of crap. Used to run good. Now the motor's not cranking, and plus, the shaft's wearing down right there. Holy crap. Camera's a piece of crap. Yeah. I wish I had a GoPro. Alright, right there, the crankshaft. Oh crap, you can't see that. Yeah, right there, the crankshaft is wearing down the clutch. Hold up! Mom called me. And, yeah. It ain't starting either, so. It's all just a big bundle of fun. Snack time. The best snack in the world. Pizza. With jalapenos and hot banana peppers. Delicious.